Alright, welcome to the second video in the series Increasing Our Reach. So, very quickly, in our last video we talked about why do we want to engage more people. In this video we're just going to talk about how we want to engage more people. So, quickly getting to it, we've used engagement funnel concept to explain to you how do we want to engage more people with ISEC. So, if you look at this figure, the dots right on the top are represent people who don't yet know about ISEC, or young people in particular who don't know about ISEC, and there's a gap, there's a huge gap from getting them to to be absolutely ignorant of ISEC to being customers of ISEC and taking up one of our ELD programs. So we want to talk about how do we want to do this in ISEC. So basically we want to just use these three concepts, which is micro experiences, public relations and marketing, to attract people to ISEC and make them take up our ELD program, which is TMP TLP or GIP or GCDP exchanges to go abroad. Alright, so the first one is micro experiences. Now this is youth empowerment and associate membership, which we've come up with. There's a separate video explaining more about associate membership and youth empowerment, but basically these are two avenues which are to deliver micro experiences. Micro experiences in short is like a micro experience of what ISEC could be for you in form of an event, in form of some activity which could be virtual or physical. It would always have a different value proposition to ELD. Being a Y2B participant is one example of a micro experience through ISEC. Second is public relation, which is increasing your reputation. This could be through media articles, media coverage, could be someone endorsing ISEC who is very reputed and credible in the market. Awards, or getting recognized for some particular work in the field of leadership, or say exchange or youth mobility, is one example of public relations, making more promoters or attracting more customers to ISEC. And then is marketing, which is directly drive people to ELD to take up one of our programs. And TLP promotion, like on campus, or OGX promotion on campus through an event, would be one of those activities through marketing. Now these three activities actually make up, these three avenues actually make up how we want to engage more people in India and drive them to take our ELD programs. Now, just to give you more examples of marketing, marketing is something which drives people directly. So it could be an e-newsletter, it could be you and doing information seminars, telling people about the value proposition of ELD programs and directly driving people to buy the product. Second could be something like micro experience, which is like an associate member who comes to volunteer for events, who is partly partly associated with ISEC for some of the events, some of the GVM, some projects of taking care of a trainee, and then he's more inquisitive about ISEC, and then he goes on to go on exchange on ISEC, just like a trainee he was hosting or something of that nature. Then is PR, reading about ISEC or what kind of a platform ISEC is, or what kind of a personal development it could lead to through ISEC, and then coming to ISEC and buying a product is through PR. Alright, so these are said, all of that said and told, these are some of the avenues which are overlapping activities between micro experience and marketing. Would be a global village, right? Giving someone an experience and also selling ISEC to a young person. ISEC conversations, which is could be online, usually are online, which is like giving a micro experience about the kind of things ISECers talk about, which is global issues, leadership, management, and also gives you makes an image in your head about the kind of thing ISEC does. Social media impact campaigns is again more about creating an image, creating a reputation online through the case studies that we share, through video stories that we share about partner stakeholders and members, and is also a marketing strategy, right? So this is in short what makes on how we want to do this. But while we are doing this, what we need to keep in mind is other principles. Young people are introduced to our purpose and our values, aligning with what? Aligning with the why, how and what of ISEC, which is the ISEC way, right? Second is ISEC values. We need to communicate ISEC values, or we need to keep them in mind and communicate it regularly, often. Understanding the value of ISEC's platform, which is societal impact, personal and professional development, international experience, global network, These are the kind of things that we need to talk about when we're doing the micro experiences, marketing, or PR. Providing value to the individual in the activity. What is the value proposition for someone to be part of these strategies that we want to carry out, especially these interactions over events and social media, and enabling the individual to contribute to ISEC. How can someone contribute to ISEC's vision of peace and fulfillment, and also cater to himself individually? These are the principles that we need to keep in mind. So everything that we do in terms of messaging needs to align with these 5 categories that we've laid out. Anything above and beyond would not really be, say, brand aligned, or would not be true to our principles, or let's say essence, keeping the brand in mind. So yeah, that's in short on how do we want to engage more people, young people in India.